What's up, guys? It's Michael Mishuki here at Gitaru. Now for the Kusafisha Mtaa Walk. It's proper ready. Yeah, and so this is the crew. So this is gonna be our beginning point. Hapa panaitwa kwa Mago. And yes, man, level up the community. Alright, guys, so our goal for today's event was just to come together as community. I want to say thank you to all the community representatives who were able to provide us with the brooms. You know yourselves, put the names in the description so that yeah, man. Lakini manze kama umezoea kutupa takataka nje uachie tabia wewe. Wewe. Mende. Anyway, manze, for real, man, take care of your environment, level up to infinity, the wingers were wide.
How can I clean?
So, wamendea tutu vijiti.
Oh, kumbe ni hawa.
If I said I'm gon' do it, then I'm gon' do it. Niggas can't compare this shit cause I'm really lame. Niggas can't compare this shit cause I'm really weak. If I said I'm gon' do it, then I'm gon' do it. I've been chillin'. Nikitry kucheki kama nitapata ile. Siwezi choka hata kutafuta hizo shillings. Me and my niggas just tryna make the killing. Boy, he fine.
Kabisa. Hello. Meona? Bye, manze. Ina vila inafaa, man.
You've been working, you deserve it. Yeah, girl, show me how.
Drive me crazy. Sexy eyes, sura ya photo. International sales cheza loco. High priest in a time na makoko. Right hand wengine ni kushoto. Best DX anakula moto. Nikiwa nawe nimeshinda loto.
Get the cash. Get it fast.
Shmadah.
Get the cash.
Yeah.
Never slack. Moving fast.
Damn.
I was broke. I was bad. Get the cash. Get it fast.
Kusafisha mtaa yenyewe juu.
Basically tumefika Gitaru. Gang kwaje. Form ni kukaokota.
Tuki keep on. What's up?
Yeah, man. Unafilaje, man? Kusafisha mtaa. Bana.
Kaukukuja. Kaukukuja.
So right now we are in Gitaru. This is the hometown. Tuko the crew hapa hivi. Cleaning up. Bugsy, Drax, Isaac, Brayo. Yeah, man, and so far in the Gitaru unachiki venye inakaa. We are just gonna collect some litter.
This time round tuna level up,
Kabisa.
Cleaning the community, manze, giving back.
Yeah. Lazima. Imtali to raise. So we tuna give back, tuna give thanks.
Drive me crazy. Let's get away. We ain't gonna be sober, and that's okay.
What's up, guys? It's about 12. I managed to cut Gitaru right on time. Sini wale wasema the sleep is for pussies. The gang is here, man. Yeah. For Gitaru. So cleaning in check.
Long time. It's been a long time, yeah. Long time.
Abisa, manze. Good stuff, Symo. Good stuff. Kusafisha Mtaa. Vile nafaa. Yeah, man. Level up to infinity, manze.
Sexy punda.
Masexy punda wenye anaangusha trash huku hivi.
Ni masexy punda wote.
Yeah.
Moyo wangu mimi umeuteka, moyoni baby girl nimekuweka. You know we gon' do it tonight. We gon' do it tonight. We gon' do it tonight, girl. We gon' do it tonight.
Sema.
Yeah, so mimi nashukuru sana leo hapa. Majamaa wamejitolea. So nice to see young guys, manze, tunajituma bila kuitwa na tunaenda manze wholeheartedly bana. So it's as a group tumesema ni asante. Step Out community was well represented. Tunashukuru pia. We thank you for this initiative. And we are going to support each other till the end of time.
Absolutely.
Big up bro na God bless zaidi.
Yeah, na organizers, kuna Brayo, kuna sisi Water Wingers Worldwide, man. We're proud to have you step out, guys.
Thank you, man.
Man, let's all level up the community. Hiyo ndo mission kali. Guys, semeni level up to infinity.
Level up to infinity.
Yeah, man. Kabisa.
Level up to infinity, man.
Yeah.
Level up to infinity.
Kabisa. Alright, guys, so our goal for today's event was just to come together as community. I want to say thank you to all the community representatives who were able to provide us with the brooms. You know yourselves, put the names in the description so that yeah, man. Lakini manze kama umezoea kutupa takataka nje uachie tabia wewe. Wewe. Anyway, manze, for real, man, take care of your environment, level up to infinity, the wingers are wide.
Really slow, get a short on fact the show, ready to ball, we on the wave, nigga.
This is what we do, nigga, yeah, we do it big.
If I wanna do it, nigga, I'ma do it best. Better than the rest, cause we never rest. Bang close on the road, yeah, we do it best. If I said I'm gonna do it, then I'm gonna do it. If I said I'm gonna do it, then I'm gonna do it. Niggas can't copy this shit cause I'm really lame.